In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate WordPress into another language. Now, if you've ever wanted to make your WordPress site more accessible to a wider audience by offering content in multiple languages, you're in the right place. Translating your website not only helps you reach a global audience, but also enhances user experience for non-native speakers. And believe me, it's more straightforward than you might think, especially with the right tools. The first step in this process is to install and activate the Weglot plugin, which is an excellent resource for translating a WordPress website. It's incredibly user-friendly and effective, making your site multilingual without needing any complex coding skills. What we'll do first is head on over to our WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you're going to navigate to the Plugins section, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on Plugins and then select Add New. This area is your gateway to thousands of plugins that can enhance your website's functionality. The next thing you'll want to do is head over to the search bar at the top right of this page. In the search box, type in Weglot. Weglot is a fantastic plugin known for its seamless integration and robust translation capabilities. Once you've found it, it's time to install. You'll notice a button labeled Install Now right next to the plugin name. Go ahead and click that. This kicks off the installation process, which shouldn't take more than a minute. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Install Now button change to reflect that you can activate the plugin. Activating the plugin is a crucial step because it makes the plugin ready for use on your site. So, click Activate and wait a couple of seconds for WordPress to work its magic. After activation, Weglot will appear in your list of installed plugins and is now fully operational on your site. Now that Weglot is active, it'll start working its magic, translating your site into your desired languages. You'll be able to configure which languages to translate from and to right from the Weglot settings panel that now exists on your dashboard. Delving into these settings will allow you to make translations more tailored to your needs, ensuring the best possible experience for all your site visitors. In subsequent videos, we'll explore more on how to customize these settings to ensure you're getting the most out of Weglot. But for today, you've learned how to install and activate Weglot, setting the foundation for a multilingual WordPress site. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on reaching global audiences with your content.